Welcome. In this video, I will show you how do you join these two airdrop last one in my channel. If you don't yet join my Telegram channel, feel free to check out this video's comment box, as well as you can check out this channel description. Both of two place you will get my um, Telegram channel link. So feel free to come here with just 11 subscriber. You are seeing that's a very like new channel out there, so I appreciate them. Those are joined here like across all around this world, people like Cameroon, India, like outside of all around the world, like east to west people. So I will be appreciate to you if you join my Telegram, because you are separate country people. You are not my country's people. I'm a Southeast Asian guy, so maybe you are Western guy, you are Middle East guy, you are European guy. So we are in one place, earning to rich. If you be passionate about to join here this empire, I will help you to make some money from here. So whatever country you are, cryptocurrency is universe payment system. So in the potential you will see that you use this thing, not your uh, one fiat currency. So therefore you need to be practice, because of testnet. Through testnet you do practice how to use this thing. So all sort of thing you will learn, as well as you will earn. No time wasting here. Okay, so first offer that is pretty emerging, and those are naive, don't know how to join this type of airdrop. You can join immediately, just few second task this on few second. Click on there and go to your browser, whatever browser you have, and put your email there. You don't need to connect your wallet here. So just I'm putting my one. Let's say my one is this on. Okay, this one. Now click on submit, and success look like for confirmation. Sorry for that. Success, so bam, done. Few second task. And number two, you can do that multiple, no problem. Okay, I did maybe 36 account I created, because if they provide $5, if you get just 20 account, $100 would be your profit. Okay, so number two, claim your username. Just click on it's 1 minute task. Okay, just go to your browser. Okay, I will definitely suggest you this event to connect with Chrome browser, where extension has available, where you can use feel free way any wallet, EVM wallet like MetaMask. So I already did my all of by browser. Now like I just show you how do you come into this thing, this offer. So just feel free where you put your email on their onboarding system. I'm showing you how do you join. So it's loading slightly, and end of the day it will be open. Okay, like this way, that is opening. Just wait few minutes, because internet thing, if you are do something in offline, okay, it's immediately opened. So like, okay, I've already done. So if I click on login to mint again, my second day would be done. Okay, so 4 hours left. 4 hours later I will can down that, because 11 p.m 11 a.m maybe I can do that. But what do you do, maybe you see interface where just you need to put your email and password and click on like here noticed. Okay, that is gone, and you need to put that your password, put your email and password. After that they will give you a certain code verification on your Gmail. Take that Gmail code and put into their verification box, where whereby, and click on confirm your account done, and after done you just click on here and your 1 day would be done. Okay, my mint 1 day done. And after you need to do second day, mint 2, mint 3, mint 4, mint 5, mint 6, mint 7, 1 week task. Okay, so this is the task you can do your way. Okay, so the very easy task that I did, if I show you how many account I did, here is I did 1 to 35, and here I did 1 2 3 4 3 account. Okay, so see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting. This is very and easy task that I showed you.